All right, everybody. Welcome back.
Welcome.
Episode 7. It's been a little bit. We've been working on, we got some new equipment thanks to the LaunchNet program that we're in here at Kent State. Been looking at some new potential spaces to work at this summer while we're back home in Pittsburgh. So, yeah, we've been on a little bit of a grind lately. Sorry, there's been no episode, but got to do what you got to do. How
Spring
you feel?
break. Spring break.
Yeah, we had spring break, too. A lot of stuff's been happening. Finals are coming up here. We're about to be out of my sophomore year, about to be finishing off his freshman year. It's flying by.
20 days left or something like that.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
And then finals is already...
They're already like here.
Me.
They're already here.
So much stuff to do.
I know. Yeah. So, yeah, we've been very busy lately, but...
It's all good, though.
Yeah, it is. But, yeah, we know a couple of things I saw this week that, I kind of wanted to talk about was... the Coinbase NFT marketplace. I recently just got accepted into their beta program, and I was just checking it out the other day. So basically, what I can tell so far is it kind of reminds me of like an Instagram, but for like NFTs, because like on OpenSea, it's more of a buying platform. You can check the utilities behind the projects. Utility, like you can just see what people are buying and selling and stuff like that, but on here you can't.
Yeah, you said there was no activity page.
Yeah, there's no like activity page. There's kind of just like a feed where people leave like comments and likes, which this is all brand new. Like no one's done this before.
That's kind of interesting.
It's pretty clean. Yeah, it is. It took them how many months to make this though?
Yeah.
It took them a long time, but yeah, you can still like.
It is kind of like a social media page.
Discover. What else if it loads?
That's probably how the NFTs will start being integrated into more everyday life.
True.
A lot with social media, profile pictures, flexing stuff. I mean, it already is, but
yeah.
I mean, if you have an NFT social media page and it's just like all stuff like that, then
I think it will pop. Yeah, I like it, but I don't like that. I mean, they're a centralized company. I mean, OpenSea is as well, but like. There got to be another player in the game soon. They can't be just this because it's still.
We should make it though.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get right on that. That would be hard to develop.
Kent State coders, let's go.
KSU,
come here.
Hit
we
me
can
up.
Make you money. We have ideas.
Hit me up, please. Yeah. No, I think it's neat though. But yeah, I'm gonna be wondering like whenever you guys get accepted into this.
Are there like only like the top NFTs on here so far, or is there like
there might be smaller projects on here because these one guys I know, I think theirs is like NFT portal, and I think they were actually on here. They didn't even know that they were on here. I was watching one of their podcasts and somebody's like, yeah, you guys are on the Coinbase thing. We're like, we didn't even like apply to be on there, but they're on there. I think they have smaller projects like let me see if like,
because you could like go onto OpenSea and then find a picture of like a Bored Ape, and it'd be like 0.000.
Well, like Expansion
3D.
Punks is on here, I think.
Yeah, well.
Only 2 of them though. Like that's it. All right, I see. But yeah, but mostly like, just bigger projects.
But like if, like someone just like me or you went onto OpenSea and like copy and pasted a picture of a Bored Ape and threw it on, like, is there stuff like that? Because there is on OpenSea.
Oh yeah, I mean, whenever I was looking through the shop, if you go to like, there's just like crap. Just like all of that fake stuff. Is that what you mean by like fake punks and shit like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think they're definitely on here.
So it's just like a regular NFT marketplace.
Yeah, pretty much, just without
but
some.
It's just Coinbase.
Yeah, just without like some nice features that we'd like to have, like what OpenSea has.
Yeah.
But no, it's pretty neat. I probably won't ever.
I'd really like
buy or sell anything on this, to be honest.
Nah, I'm not gonna use Coinbase.
No. We know why.
Yeah, we know why. But I would like a NFT marketplace where you'd be able to like kind of like display your collection a little bit more, I feel like.
A little bit better. Yeah, because I mean, I'm not even signed in on this, but like I'll have to see what it looks like maybe once I sign up, and like maybe they'll have a place where all your shit sits, like how OpenSea has it. I mean, I would imagine that they would have that, but nothing that I can see yet.
Do you remember a few months ago on OpenSea whenever those like rooms were...
That's what I was thinking, like the museum rooms, and all the NFTs are up on the wall. Yeah.
I feel, yeah, like an NFT marketplace like that.
That would be sick.
That would be insane.
That would be sick. Because, like, whenever I see the people that got, like, the apes and, you know, all the expensive stuff all in those, like, museum rooms, it just makes me want to buy more just to have a room to look like that.
I just want to flex them.
Yeah, literally. I wish that would have been sick if Coinbase did that.
Yeah.
But they didn't. Just more of, like, an Instagram.
It's NFTs. Still, like, a sleek idea.
It is, though.
It looks clean.
It is.
But
it just took them months, though. It took them months and months to build this, and this is kind of what we got.
Well, they'll still be updating it.
Yeah, true.
A lot. They're literally updating it a lot.
They're literally just giving users access now. So yeah.
It's not their final product.
No,
I don't think so.
No, I wouldn't imagine so either. And then another thing we saw, I bet you most of the people in the industry, in the crypto industry, saw this last week or the last 2 weeks or so. It was freaking MoonBirds. This project gained for almost $500 million in a little over a week. You see this?
Ridiculous,
this shit was taking off. I think their mint price was like 2.5 ETH, and you know, with gas, spending a little over like 6, 7, 8 grand, somewhere around there to mint these. And then I mean, I was seeing the floor was at, like, last time I checked, it was sitting at like 30 ETH a bird. This is ridiculous.
They're the same price as a mutant.
Yeah, they're the same price as a mutant ape. Yeah.
Crazy.
There's 1,000 collectors.
But like, even looking back from the day that we started this podcast to now.
Yeah.
I mean, how many times have we said already, like, look at this project that just went to 30 ETH. Look at this project that just went to 30.
Like every few weeks we say that. Yeah, maybe every week. It just depends on all, but
I mean, it just keeps coming.
Yeah, it just goes to show that, like, even though, okay, I'm gonna say we're like, it's not gonna make sense, but like, this game is still very new, but like compared to what we've seen so far, you know, we're a little bit later into it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, damn, there's still projects that are dropping this late in the game that are doing this much quantity.
I think
price action.
I think it's all still gonna be really new till like probably like 2025, whenever like the metaverse and like virtual reality starts like being more mainstream adopted and like in everybody's households. Because I mean, you're already starting to see the Oculuses and stuff.
Yeah.
But like whenever they get something more portable or like not as I don't know, complex as the Oculus big thing on you.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot more
user
virtual, and a lot of people are going to be using it, and
I agree with that.
NFTs are going to be a big part of it.
Oh, I'd say
Did you see the
But no, that's just crazy.
Bored Ape got hacked?
I did see that.
Yeah, Bored Ape Yacht Club, their Instagram got hacked, and then there was like a false link there.
Yeah, they posted a false link, and some users went and clicked on it, and then they got some of their mutant and some of their Bored Apes hacked. Yeah,
crazy, dude.
They released I saw it all on Twitter yesterday. They were like, don't go on our, like, don't click anything on the website, don't click anything here, just follow Twitter for all of our updates. Only on Twitter. Bro, that's just nuts. I'd be so mad if that happened, and that happens every day.
I know.
People just left and right.
24 apes were stolen and 30 mutant apes were stolen.
Holy crap.
The value of the 54 combined was around $14 million stolen. That's
oh my
insane.
gosh. That is ridiculous.
Always look where you're putting your wallet.
Always. Just you need to be smarter than that, but these scams are so complex. It's hard to like.
They are, dude.
It's hard to get away from them, but it's a bad day for the Bored Apes.
Did that make the price go down at all?
I mean, maybe a little bit, but probably not a great amount. I didn't even check the floor after I seen that.
Yeah.
That was it.
They already have their name set in stone.
Yeah, I mean, true. And this happens like a lot, so.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I saw another thing the other day. I forget the name of this. It was a project, and they were writing some contract for their minting process or something like that, and or like for a refund process or something, and they messed up on the code, and they accidentally ended up locking like millions and millions of ETH that got stuck in the contract. I forget how much it was, but I saw this project the other day that did that. Crazy. It just blew my mind. I just thought about that. Yeah, they like messed up on the code, and people even were like on Twitter and stuff. Some like Web3 developers were like, pointing out what they did wrong and shit.
Took a screenshot of it. Yeah, I think I saw that.
Yeah, and there was like a few million ETH, a lot of ETH locked in a contract, and no one can touch it forever. It's just burned, like it's gone.
Crazy. Well, at least Ethereum supply isn't fixed like Bitcoin.
Yeah,
so
true.
like whenever the Bitcoin is gone, it's gone.
That's it. That's all there's.
Because Ethereum can just be made again, but Bitcoin is
true.
There's only a fixed supply of Bitcoin.
Shut them out. You can't go past that.
So if you lose the Bitcoin, it's gone into oblivion.
Yeah, it's
forever.
No one's ever finding that shit.
It's
gone.
Nope.
What else you got for us, Zach? Anything crazy you seen this week other than Bored Apes getting hacked and this and that?
I mean, not really. Like the crypto space has been really, really boring since probably November. I mean, it's just been doing the same thing.
Yeah.
There's not really a whole lot to talk about. It's especially when Bitcoin is just like trading in between $4,000 for months on end. So like,
I've been saw that.
But Robinhood came out with some new listings, which is good for the crypto space. They came out with they added Polygon to Robinhood, Shiba, which is crazy because Shiba went nuts after that happened because they've been trying to get Shiba on Robinhood for months and months now. I remember whenever I first got into Shiba in the summer of 2021. That was like the big thing. Like, we need to try and get listed on Robinhood because that's going to push us to $1 or whatever.
Yeah, it'll get us to the moon.
But
that's cool.
I mean,
meme coin on. Yeah. They got the Doge and they got Shiba on Robinhood.
They got Doge,
now.
Shiba. They got Compound, which is like.
I never heard of them.
Compound is an algorithmic autonomous interest rate protocol built for developers to unlock a universe of open financial applications. So it sounds like it's just like a AI trading bot.
Yeah.
That will do your stuff for you, which is cool. There's a lot of stuff like that coming out now.
Before.
I've seen Compound on Coinbase and stuff before, but I was really surprised seeing it on Robinhood because they don't really have too many stuff like that. But it's cool.
Yeah, it's kind of unique for them.
Yeah. They added Solana too.
Oh, nice.
Solana is a big one. That's the next step down from Ethereum.
Yeah, the third, Bitcoin, ETH.
Solana is a nice coin. Nice coin.
I don't have any though. Used to, but not no more.
Yeah. Not no more.
Just throw that shit in ETH. I like ETH the best.
Yeah.
Even though it does a 30 here and there, but
my dad was talking to me whenever I was home over Easter, and he was saying how he wants to like talk to me about getting into crypto and stuff, and I was like, yeah, I mean, markets look like you might find some really nice buying prices soon. Yeah. So
some sales.
I mean, you could, but like, I'd say just buy like a shit ton of Ethereum.
Just like the safest long-term bet, because you're not gonna wanna. I mean, I know what you mean. I'm not. How do I explain this? You're not gonna want to show them like meme coins or like smaller coins that would go crazy. You just want like a nice stable.
I don't want to like make him trade and stuff. I just want him to like
throw a bag in and then let that ride
for like a few years. And
and come back to it and be like, oh shit, yeah. I think that's a solid idea, especially.
But
it's cool. Trying to help them invest.
It's cool, like being able to see like even like the older generations now getting into it. Yeah, like it's inspirational.
It is, bro. Asking like 19-year-olds how to do this shit. It is. It's so crazy. That's what I've been having a good bit of talks with my parents and grandparents and stuff about, just all the crypto stuff, and it's just like it's coming full circle now.
It is coming full
circle, and this is only the beginning. So there's gonna be a lot more conversation said about it, but I'm very excited.
Me too, man.
I really am. Talk about our boy Musk. Our boy Elon out here spending that bread.
Dude, yeah, he goes, what was it? How many billion?
What, 44 billion?
Yeah, he goes 44 billion cash.
That's fucking nuts. He's like, no, I don't. He's like, gets on the board, and he's like, no, I don't want to be part of the board. Yeah. Like a few days later, I'm gonna buy you guys. Yeah. Here's 44 million in cash. 44 billion in cash.
take it or leave it.
Yeah, what do you want to do? And then Twitter was talking back and forth. They wanted to do the little poison pill.
Yeah, because they were gonna just shoot it down and not let their shareholders decide.
Yeah,
because the shareholders should make the decision because they own the company, like, pretty much.
Yeah,
but I mean, it ended up working for Elon,
it
and
really did.
Now he owns Twitter.
That's awesome.
Hopefully, he can unlock it, as he says.
I hope so. I mean, at least bring it to a greater potential. You know, he's been really, really big about the free speech. It's always been posting on Twitter.
I think he's going to go really deep into Web3 on Twitter.
Oh, 100%.
I think I think that's the main reason why he bought it, I think. Dude, and I was looking at like the chart for Twitter.
Yeah.
And I might buy a shit ton of Twitter.
It pumped like it went from $40 to $51.
Yeah, I know, but not even on like the smaller time frame. Like since it's dropped, since I think it came out in like 2014 or something.
Yeah.
I mean, it hasn't gone above like, I don't know, like 60 or 70. Like it hasn't reached triple figures yet.
Okay, so
and it's
still
just all been around. So when I think Twitter's a nice investment for this decade.
That'd be nice, but isn't he going to take them private?
Yeah, true.
So he's going to take them private.
I forgot about that part.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's like, because I think that if anybody sees Elon Musk as buying another company, you're obviously going to want to invest, because everything I've invested, like Tesla and all that other shit that he got going on, and Doge, it's made me bread. So I would invest into this to make more, but it's going to be private.
Oh, dude, even whenever he bought Twitter, Doge went up like crazy. Mm-hmm. And like this guy can just tweet anything.
And it just goes up. Yeah, it went up like 7 to 10 cents as soon as he bought it. Just nuts. But no, I think this is good.
Free speech is the bedrock of a functioning democracy. And then what did he say? Something he's like... Hold up, let me find it here.
You're good.
I hope that even my worst critics remain on Twitter.
Yeah, I did see that.
Because that is what free speech means.
I did see that.
And I mean, I'm not even trying to get political or anything on here, but like... I mean, it's the internet. You should be able to say
whatever you want. Do whatever. Yeah, I think so as well.
Who gives a flying F? It's the internet.
I think so as well. Well, speaking on Web3, Elon Musk with Twitter, I saw today though he did post a screenshot about whenever you go on Twitter, and I think you have to buy like Twitter Blue or like the little premium subscription that they have and you have NFTs, and they'll make it the little hexagon profile thing that we talked about before. Well, I think he like wants to take that away because he put a screenshot up yesterday or today, and it was like a screenshot of that program, and he goes, "What the hell is this?" or something like that. And then all the Bored Ape guys and everyone that has these crazy NFTs was like, "Yo,
chill.
Don't mess with my hexagon." I did see that. So
or the Bill Gates one that he posted.
Oh yeah, the little
how to lose a boner or something like that.
With Bill Gates with that with the emoji that looks just like him.
Yeah,
he's been a wild one on Twitter.
Dude, I love him. He doesn't give an F.
He doesn't care. Man's is the richest dude in the world, and he just be tweeting whatever he wants to tweet, which is great for him. And now he owns it. It's even better.
I think it'll be good for Twitter. I think it's really, like you said, I think he knows what he's gonna do. He was talking a lot about the algorithms.
Yeah. He wanted to open the algorithm. Yeah, I did see that.
So I think it'll be good for Twitter.
That's good. And then Jack Dorsey walked away with $949 million or some shit. He had a great day.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, after this. But good news there for all that.
I wonder if Jack Dorsey will go back with Musk, because I think they're decent partners.
Yeah,
buddies.
I think they could be. But
I don't know. He's working on Square now.
Yeah, he's kind of got his hands full with that. Yeah, I mean
blockchain.
Yeah. Just
an FYI. I mean, these guys are working all Web3 blockchain.
It's the future.
It's
as
right
we always
in front
say.
of your eyes. It's right in front of your eyes. 11 years ago today, Satoshi Nakamoto sent his final public message and was never heard from again.
I saw that.
Thank you, Satoshi, for creating the greatest currency ever made.
See what you started. Started a legacy.
A revolution against fraud and financial fallacy.
All major institutions and banks and everything around the world.
Corruption.
All of it.
So, do yourself a favor.
Crazy.
Buy some Bitcoin.
Look where we're at now.
Burn your dollars.
That's funny.
Grayscale Bitcoin ETF might be approved in July, so that would be a nice little run up for the summer.
Oh, nice.
Whenever a big ETF like that happens, it
Usually
brings in a lot of big money into the markets.
nice.
So that would be good for Bitcoin in the summer to get a nice little boost if we're not down in the dumps and
Craziest. I saw
$20,000.
Somebody was talking about it could go below 30. That's
yeah, I mean
saying.
it's not looking too good right now.
Yeah, I've been seeing the charts every few days. I'd be looking at them, and yeah,
It looks like it wants to take a little dive further.
Is what it is. We're just here for the long game now.
Yeah.
I don't even care.
Now we might touch around like 20,000.
Buy it. Buy it. Please.
Especially Ethereum, because Ethereum, I mean, altcoins are going to get absolutely smashed.
That honestly would be awesome because, we're going to be working this summer, making some bread. Take that bread, invest it with these low coins. Yes. Dude. I hope that happens.
I hope it does too.
It sucks for our bags now, but I don't care.
Nah, they're going to get smashed.
Yeah, they're going to get crushed, but hopefully we can accumulate a good amount for the next run-up that we have.
Yeah.
One day.
It'll happen soon. The next halving is in like a year and a half, I think, or something. A year and a few months.
Gives us a long time to accumulate.
Yeah.
Whatever we want.
Ethereum. I'm just going to be buying Ethereum.
That's all.
And then I'll do the Uniswap with my Ethereum if I want to get into some alts.
That's what, yeah, I'm definitely going to want to probably I don't even know. Maybe half the portfolio, a little more than half, would be ETH. And then I'd go into Poly, Solana, some smaller stuff. I don't know. I like...
Yeah, give me... Okay, so if I handed you $100,000 right now.
100K.
And I said, I want you to only invest in the cryptocurrency with this $100,000. You could invest it however you want to do. Give me the coins that you're investing your 100,000 into.
The rundown. All right, I'd go ETH, like I said. I'd go Polygon, ETH, and Sol. I'm trying to think what else I would. More than half the bag would go to ETH.
Yeah.
And then I'd split whatever I had left, 50-50, Poly and Sol. That's what I would do. That's the only three ones that are coming off the top of my head right now.
Yeah.
What would you do if I gave you $100,000? What would you buy?
So I would if Bitcoin would be under, say 30, if it was at 35,000 or below, I'd buy one Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And then I'd buy, let's see here. All right. Let me get my calculator out.
All right. Yeah, you're getting real official now.
Yeah. 100,000. Let's say Bitcoin's 35,000. I buy a Bitcoin. I have 65,000 to work with. So I'm going to buy 40,000 of Ethereum. Hold up. Where am I at? 35. So I got 15,000 left.
After you spent...
Or 25,000 left.
So you got 40K of ETH and you have 30K of Bitcoin.
Yeah, I got one Bitcoin and a shit ton of ETH.
Okay, and you got 15K sitting there.
I'm going to buy Polygon. I'm going to buy VRA.
Okay.
I'm going to buy AVAX. And I'm gonna buy Doge.
Doge? All right.
I really think Doge is gonna be something.
You think?
I really do. I think Doge has to be something.
I don't know. I think it has to too, but it's just so it's just there for shits and gigs.
I know, but it's
but it holds some good value. It's holding its value, but
I think Doge. As of right now, if you told me any cryptocurrency that would be the currency of the internet, I'd say Doge.
Doge? Okay.
I mean, obviously you would use Bitcoin as the payment. Yeah. But if you were only to buy and sell everything online, and I think Doge would be the currency of the internet.
I like
of
that.
the web. Web3. Doge is the currency of Web3.
Damn. I don't know.
Because it's super cheap.
It is.
There's an infinite
cheap.
supply. I know the transaction speed is like
pretty quick,
thousands and thousands times quicker than Bitcoin.
Okay.
And I mean, if Elon, I remember during the summer whenever crypto was going crazy, Elon was working with them talking about, even faster transactions and stuff like that. Okay. So if he keeps working with the developers, I mean, it's going to be good.
Making it pretty well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then I saw the other things, like whenever he wanted to drop some of his own apparel, when Elon wants to drop his own apparel, he would allow people to buy that with Dogecoin.
Yeah.
All right. That'd be cool to see, like, how well it works whenever he does that.
But yeah, that's what I would use my 100,000 on.
Damn, man's about to be making millions after them calls. I like that.
Not financial advice.
Nope, never is, never will be. No, that's a good call though.
Polygon. I really like Polygon.
I'm very bullish on Polygon. I saw months ago, who was it? The CEO of one of the major, I think it was one of the major electronics brands, or some major CEO in gaming or electronics or something. He's now
GameStop, I'm pretty sure.
It was somebody from YouTube. One of the
YouTube?
One of the execs from YouTube is okay. The executive of YouTube Gaming is now the CEO or like head of gaming in Polygon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that like a few months ago.
That's crazy.
I think you can do some really good stuff with that.
Yeah, that's
why
huge.
We pump.
That's huge.
No,
I'm really bullish on Polygon as well. There's going to be a lot of gaming and meta stuff built on that platform.
Yeah, and I've been seeing like new stuff literally like every week on this one crypto account called like Metaverse, and every week Polygon's doing something new. I just see more and more news about it.
Yeah.
No, I like that. And then like I said, with Solana, it had its high. Now we're sitting back down a little bit lower, like around $100 an hour.
I like Poly better than Solana, honestly.
Do you? Yeah, I'd probably say the same, but like
I just don't use Solana.
No, I don't.
I mean,
don't use them either.
The whole thing behind Solana is that it's cheaper than Ethereum. It works the same way as Ethereum. It's just,
and it fixes some of
Ethereum's
problems.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like a whole lot cheaper and quicker. But whenever Ethereum merges and switches to POS, then it's just gonna fix all that, and then there will be no use.
Yeah, they're gonna be like
Solana.
Obsolete. It's gonna be like, oh, what do we do now?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I agree with that.
I don't know. I think Ethereum will run it.
I agree. Bitcoin's too expensive and slow, and just the first one out there.
I've been seeing.
Yeah, that happened to me too.
I've been seeing a lot of people in the space recently talking about a potential flipping of Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next few years.
Oh.
In the next few years, so maybe.
There's a little bit.
Maybe within this decade, maybe.
No way.
Maybe Ethereum will be worth more than Bitcoin. That'd be.
I think it has.
It has way more use than Bitcoin.
It can definitely progress to that.
I think Ethereum is the most fascinating investment you can make right now today.
Mm-hmm. There's so much you can do with it. There's so much.
It's like a book with empty pages, and everyone's building on it, writing their pages and everything, flipping it. It's crazy.
It is.
Ethereum's going to be really, really big.
Yeah, I could. That's a good little call. I can definitely see that one day happening. I hope it happens.
But yeah, it'll be interesting to see
because it got a good ways to go. But
yeah, it does. It'll just be interesting to see how those two will perform against each other in the next few years.
Yeah, I'd give it a decade, a little less than a decade for sure. Because I mean, the amount of work that these people are putting, the amount of work that people are doing in Web3 on ETH and NFTs that take ETH and just all that shit going on with Ethereum, it could definitely.
Yep. And not even any like worlds or like games or like automation or anything has been like done yet. Like it's all just been like NFTs and layer 2 contracts and stuff that's been built so far.
So nothing extreme.
Yeah, like nothing that would catch like a normal person's eye yet. It's all like But like whenever they get to like the normal average Joe and start connecting with them,
yeah,
then it's
with the normal. Camera cut out for like a second there, but we're back.
We're back.
But like you were saying, okay, so back in 27, okay, we were talking about how sooner, like in the future, that it could be more easily accessible, especially these kids that are all into technology and AI. But then you were watching that video from back in 2017, and like how difficult was it to?
Yeah, how difficult it was to access information.
Yeah.
Look at charts. I mean, everything is right in front of you now. I mean, you might have to do a little bit of
work, but
I mean, you can look at what's going on in crypto on so many websites now. Daily news. I mean, even I was looking at like the top 10 coins on CoinMarketCap back then, and it was Bitcoin 1, Ethereum 2. Binance wasn't even in the top 10.
Oh,
yeah.
Damn.
Binance wasn't even in the top 10. Doge was nowhere near the top 10. ADA was at like 15 cents or 16 cents.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's crazy, and that was only a few years ago.
Yeah.
That's just these freaking coins and these big guys coming in and just getting to the top of the charts here.
It's crazy.
That's crazy. Well, anything else that we haven't touched on? Just a little bit of information, shit that we've seen over the last couple of days, few weeks.
Yeah, I think that's... there was this one thing, but I can't find it.
Damn. Remember it.
I'm trying to, but I have a brain fart right now.
It's all good.
We'll bring it next episode.
Next week. Yeah. I believe in the next week or possibly 2 weeks, we're going to have a really cool guest on. Really cool crypto project. We talked about them before. Not going to name any names yet, but yeah, that's going to be exciting.
The COO?
The
COO?
I believe so. Maybe his team, maybe his developer as well, but yeah. Definitely
so that'll be really good.
Yeah, that's going to be like a real
nice little dive
deal.
Look into how this stuff works and everything. So
Yep. All right, well, we're going to get ready for that over this next week or two. We'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching episode 7. Catch us on YouTube, TikTok, Spotify. Like, subscribe, share, everything. You know the deal.
Gang.
We're out. See you later, everybody.